back to Isla, and today we're making slime. So, yes. Okay, so your ingredient, what you need to use is it's Elmer's. You'll need clear glue for this. Then you'll need, I got a small activator, but you can get any activator. Got some activator, and then I got these little like sparkly glue. It colours it really sparkly, and yeah. So let's actually do this thing. Okay. So I'm gonna pour out the glue. I want to do like 2 slimes, so like half of the glue. Ooh. Whoa, it looks so cool. Is this half? No, that's not even half. This is half. And now, because I got my clear slime, I'm gonna have just a blue slime and then a white slime. Well, sparkly. So, whoa, it looks so cool. Oh wow, you definitely have to squeeze it. Wow, I have no strength for this. Yeah, I'll come back when I've actually done a lot. Okay, so I feel like I've overactivated it. Now it's time to blend with your hands. Ooh, I always blend with my hands when it's really like overactivated. I just realized, why am I doing loads of slime? Jeez. Or slime. I love slime. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Wow. It's really pretty. It's like blue and sparkly. It's kind of sticky, but I'll get used to it. And then after this, we're making the clay. Whoa, it looks so cool so far. It's so clear too. I'll be back when it's like fully activated, even though it is kind of. Oh my god. Yeah. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Like.